Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Kudo Crypto Experiment. We're back in the middle of the bear market. I know it's been a little bit over a week, but during the bear market, there's going to be less news, so not much to do but wait it out a little bit, try and find a little bit more of a bottom, see if there's a reversal. Usually they say bear markets last 6 to 8 months, so look into my experiment and hopefully we can try and make some money while doing this. So mainly what you should be doing with all your money. If you're in the market right now, I would say staking. Um, Definitely the best way. And then just waiting for that reversal. Some saying that it could be coming up soon, but other than that, I don't think we're gonna find a bottom anytime soon. Maybe if we follow typical like bear market trends, I think that maybe we'll maybe bottom out around summerish. But today actually seems pretty good. We got some rebounces and stuff like that. So let's hop into the news. So once again, thank you guys for coming to the channel. We're up to 8 subscribers. Once again, we're just doing this as an experiment. So thank you guys for watching and coming watching the news over here and choosing to listen to weekly news over here. So once again, here's the crypto bubbles. We got TRX up, probably because they are burning with their US dollar new token that they have over there. GMT still pushing up, which is crazy. I mean, it's down from an all-time high, I believe so. Yeah, it was up at $4 at one point. Now it's down to like 3, so not too bad. You got Helium up. I'm about to start. They're about to ship my helium miner, so I'm excited about that. Unfortunately, that one miner, the Planet Watch miner, did not work out. I actually got a refund on it, thankfully. Yeah, just be careful on that. Even though Algorand's up on the World Cup news. You also got Luna Curve, which is a thing. Oh, Near is at around 10:30, $11, which is probably a good point to start picking up some more Near. I might be looking at Near now. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so you got the Van Eck releases the first NFTs. So now they're going to be releasing 1,000 tokens divided into several levels of rarity. It's basically showing that NFTs are kind of getting into the broader market, the public market, and they're being adopted in the real world. And like the Van Eck is supposed to say that this is going to allow the holders an experience to network within like-minded people. So let's see how this works out. This is like the first public ETF NFT, so maybe it will be good for maybe we'll start seeing more adoptions by these ETFs and stuff like that, and people trying to be like-minded or trying to include more of the shareholders. So during the week we had ApeCoin going nuts, and then now it's back on a dip. Well, that's because ApeCoin was being used for the mint for the other side or the other deeds. So now it's on a dip. So just if you're holding it, I know I'm LP farming it, so I wasn't planning on spending 305 ApeCoins or like it was something ridiculous like let's see if it says it here. I know it was 1460 per token prior to the run up or the announcement, but it hit as a high of like $26, which was crazy. But it also caused a lot of gas fees. I think they guzzled about like $175 million in ETH. So profits were up for that day. for the miners. You got NY Dig also putting out bounties for Bitcoin for people that can improve on Bitcoin network. Apparently they've already paid out like 1,800 for 2 tasks, so about $900 for each. I really want to know what they're improving on with Bitcoin, because I don't know what changes are being made. So let's see what goes on with that. And why Dig, providing money to developers is a central part of growing the network. So this is definitely bullish. So continuing bullishness. Crypto.com, I'm not sure if this is SEC related, but their rewards are basically being slashed again. It says here that it's supposed to ensure long-term sustainability. We are introducing numbers to changes of the Crow Card rewards program. So it makes it seem like they're not being forced to do this, but rather doing this on purpose in order to be able to continue giving out rewards. So that's why you see the Crow token kind of taking a little bit right now, because everybody's releasing their their Crow that they're not getting a good return on, or if they steam it. Brazil also, on other news, I know that they just passed into, I guess, our House of Representatives equivalent. They just passed a law to allow legal tender of Bitcoin. I know Rio already put in Bitcoin as a form of you can pay your taxes with Bitcoin. So shout out to all my Brazilians out there. So 75% of Brazil's 34.5 million crypto investors are monthly buyers. So you can tell that it's very bullish over there. We deal with a lot of inflation over there. So Brazil's always buying more crypto. So stack your sats. This is a article I thought was very interesting, but I'm not going to bore you guys for time's sake. But this was a pretty interesting article on how to build a decentralized Twitter, basically going into nodes and everything like that. If you guys want to pick it up, it's on Yahoo Finance, but it's actually one from CoinDesk. So they go into pretty good depth on how to build a decentralized Twitter, if you guys were wondering. Argent raises $40 million to make crypto wallet easier to use. So I think this is the main problem with crypto wallets, is that it's very hard to transition between the real world and crypto wallets. So hopefully they'll be able to do this with this wallet. Just a quick hit on it. Maybe another on-ramping possibility in the future. So Bitcoin miner Argo raises hash rate guidance thanks to Intel mining chips. So basically they're being able to be more effective with their hash rate and their wattage and everything like that because of this Intel chip. So now that Intel's in the game, hopefully we can start seeing some more improvements into these miners, and as hash rate goes up, the network's more secure. So very bullish. Mexican remittances are the continent's largest crypto companies want to cut. So they say that Mexico transfers to Mexico and are one of the highest. So if we can take a cut of that into crypto, just know that crypto can go much higher, and us miners can take a good fee out of it too. Less people to touch the hands of everything else. So I have a lot of small clips, so we'll try to go through them pretty quick. Ethereum rollup Optimism launches DAO. So if you guys want to get into this airdrop that they're going to be giving out for Optimism, you have to use the Optimism layer 2. So just make sure that you use it before. I know that they just gave out the airdrop, so I think they're doing another 4 more. So if you guys use it within that time frame, just make sure you guys get that done. So that's the main point of that article. Over here we have Cardano Network developers increase the block size by 10%. You already know that they've been having troubles keeping up with the transactions per second. So 10%, it's growth. That's the main thing. Fidelity investments to allow investors to put Bitcoin into their 401ks. Very bullish. And Michael Saylor already said that he's definitely going to do that for his employees. Just more adoption for the network. More people want to get Bitcoin because it's gold or digital gold and very scarce. So crypto becomes a lifeline for Russian emigres opposing Putin's war in Ukraine. So just more reasons for you to get into Bitcoin is if you're sanctioned, you can kind of get away with not having your full livelihood taken away. You know what I mean? Now you still own your Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Hopefully if you're not sanctioned and you have it off the exchanges. But that's that. John Legend to do NFTs. Our songs raises 7.5 million. So you're gonna see John Legend's company get into it. Hopefully, maybe you'll see Opal or what's the other one? Was it Opulus and there's another music one that's really good. Audius. If you can see Audius or Opulus, maybe those will go on there. Maybe he'll do it on Algorand because it's eco-friendly. I see a lot of Algorand news, especially with World Cup. Goldman Sachs offers first Bitcoin-backed loan. So more bullishness. We do this in DeFi all the time, but now you're seeing centralized entities do CeFi. And Goldman Sachs has the keys to do it, so the SEC is not going to mess with them. SEC case against Ripple now slated to end in 2023. They pushed back dates. It's just getting worse and worse. But maybe it's bullish because maybe the bear market will end by then. Bitcoin officially legal tender in Central African Republic, which is one of the poorest countries. So more adoption, more people trying to run away from the fiat currency. So bullish for the people that are in Central African Republic. Hopefully they'll be able to become more banked and everything. 6 of 10 Salvadorians quit using Shiva wallet after getting the Bitcoin incentive, which is like $10 or something like that. So hopefully they can make the citizens there want to use the app or want to use Bitcoin more than they want to use the US dollar. Maybe more of an education needs to go on, because they literally just said, here, take $10 for free if you download this app. And then everyone was like, all right, how do I spend it? But whatever the case is, let's hop into the NFTs that we've been looking at. Chains of War sold out. I copped 2. Hopefully you guys cop some. They're sitting at 96. They were sitting between 96 to 110 floor price. Not too bad. I got a Mizo Hadigan or whatever. Oh, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it, but I have this one for sale. That's my like lesser. It's like the bottom 5%. I got my luck, right? But also I got this one, which is pretty decent, like 25% in the top 25%. So those are my Chains of Wars that I copped. I hope you guys cop some. If not, maybe you guys will meet us at the end. Ada Land, we got still going to mint on the 17th, so just be aware of that. They're still building, still having more partnerships and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. Aquaheads, they're sitting over here at I think they're still minting, so I'm not too. Oh no, they're minting on the. No, they're minting today. Yeah, they're minting for 2 Solana, so we'll see how that goes. It's 2,333 of them. I see a few people following them, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the stream. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see any specific content. If you guys want to see how I LP farm or any other projects I've been hopping into, like Sphere or another rebasing one, just to kind of like test the waters. But thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys soon, and